Hello, and welcome to another one of my unboxing videos of random stuff I buy off of Amazon. Today, we have a digital moisture meter. The features that it shows is built-in auto power off, electrode pins are integrated, displays wood moisture and LCD, 4 calibrated wood groups for selecting, measurement principle is with electrical resistance. It is a product made in China, and it appears the brand on it is Kamtop, K-A-M-T-O-P. So let's open it up and see what we got. Right off the bat, we have a 9-volt battery for it, in that wonderful plastic wrap that's impossible to open. You got a very tiny user's manual, but then again, I can't see this being something that you really need one for. And then the meter itself. So, let's go ahead and get this opened up. I do like that it comes with a protective case to go over the pins. Let's go ahead and turn this thing on, and let's see, teak, okay, category A is teak, Afromosia, walnut, group P is white, poplar, karung, C is luan, ash, and elm, D is basswood, larch, and pine. I'm not sure which one my Bolivian rosewood here would be considered, so we're just going to try it on A and see what happens. This one has been sitting in the garage for a long time and it reads a 00. Yeah, it's working. My hand shows it's 28, so we're probably good on that. This is a really, really dry piece of wood that's been sitting around for a few years. I'll have to give it a try with some fresh bought stuff that I know is a little bit wet, and we'll see how accurate and how well it reads. Thanks for watching this review video, and I will see you next time.